In this video, I'm gonna show you how to build an ultimate agent to research anything. Also, I share this template 100% for free with all of the instructions. Without further ado, let's go. Okay, let's do a quick demo. I have a Telegram chat and I ask, how does magnesium affect sleep quality? Let's send it and this automation triggers right now. And then once it triggers, it calls the AI agent which is responsible for doing a deep research with Perplexity. It does it on autopilot for us, and then it gives the information to our basic LLM chain, which is responsible for creating for us the answer. Once the answer is created, we save the data inside Google Sheets, and we return the information to our Telegram chatbot. So now we need to wait a while, and then we've got it. We've got all the information with all the percentage, with all the details, specifics, and at the end, even we've got the sources, so we can access them right away whenever we want. And this works not only in one specific industry, however with anything you just give. For example, what increases productivity in remote work? Once again, we've got the answer with the percentage, with exact details, and also we've got the sources. So it's so nice. You can ask any question and get a research with Perplexity, and the automation is built inside n8n. So now let me guide you through this workflow step by step, but before, let me show you how you can get it totally for free and just upload inside n8n. You go to AI Enthusiast, the link is in the description of this video. You go to the classroom, and in the classroom you choose, you choose the category, which is Christian's YouTube resources, and then you've got multiple agents to use. You can download them, you've got templates for them, and instructions. And you search for the research assistant. You've got the instructions for the AI agent, basic LLM chain, and at the end, like at the bottom, you've got the template to use and Google Sheets to copy. But now let's dive in and let me explain. The trigger we have is a Superchat. And Superchat is a platform that allows me to basically trigger Telegram, WhatsApp, Messenger at the same time and store all conversations within the application. So it works as an all-in-one inbox literally for everything, for Telegram, WhatsApp, and here you can just connect multiple different channels such as Facebook Messenger, email, Instagram. If you want to test it out for free, I put the link in the description of this video. So once I open the Super Chat, I've got my credential and I've got my channel. And once again, we can choose multiple channels. So just without and despite just, for example, using the trigger, which is a WhatsApp, we may have like the Telegram and WhatsApp combined. Once again, if you, for example, wanna just share this research assistant for someone, then the conversation is gonna appear right there in your specific inbox. But now let's continue. Let's go further. And then what we have, we've got our AI agent, which is responsible for using Perplexity to make a research. And here in the user prompt, we've got just the message from our super chat. So this is the body here. And then we've got our system message. And remember, system message, you can copy exactly from our community, which is totally for free. You've got the system message here. What I say aside, you're a deep research AI agent focused on producing evidence-based insights. So you want to have the information not just general, just really generic. We want to have the data about the actual research or professional evaluation. That's the entire point. So your purpose is to conduct thorough research on a given topic and return only hard facts such as statistics, percentages, numerical findings, trends, and measurable outcomes sourced from reliable publications. Capabilities: perform deep research, extract and prioritize quantitative data, distinguish between well-supported data and unavailable or inconclusive information, and so on. We've got the tools, which is a Perplexity, interaction style, and notes. So these are just the side notes. For example, I give here the date. I'm always search before answering, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So these are the instructions. But the main point of this agent and this automation to work is our Perplexity model. Because Perplexity is for research. And now it's amazing. We can combine n8n, so automation that works 24 hours per 7 days, of course. And yeah, we can just combine this application with a powerful research platform. So inside Perplexity, what we have? We need to, of course, connect our credential. It's pretty simple. You just go ahead and you just copy API key from the Perplexity website. For Perplexity, to get your API key, you need to log into the platform, and in the left bottom corner, click on an account and API, and then just move around to API keys. And then you need to just accept terms, and generate an API key, give it a name, and you create the key. When it comes to Superchat, you go basically to the settings, and then in the integrations, you should find the API key. So let's wait. Here, you should find the API key, you click, and you create your very own API key right there. After we give an API key to Perplexity, we need to choose the model. And we've got the Sonar, which is the basic one, Sonar Pro, Sonar Deep Research, and Sonar Reasoning. I would suggest you to pick one of these two, so Sonar Pro or Deep Research. I found Sonar Pro just more reliable, just faster, and just better and really enough. If you wanna have really deep research, just wait, I can say like 5 times or to 10 times longer, you can pick Sonar Deep Research. However, this one is fine. And for the messages, here I added just the AI to define this specific field and the role, which is the user. And what it gave me in return are the citations and also the results, so the entire text, statistics, and so on. So it made actually a deep research about a topic. And then once we've got this agent that is responsible for giving us the information about the research, and remember this agent only gives information about the research, we use basic LLM chain, which the only role is to format the message in nice form, okay? Because like research papers, let me show you something. Research papers often look like this. They are really sophisticated, and sometimes for someone that doesn't know how to just properly read them, it's gonna be hard. So that's why we need to have this agent that's gonna take the information, all the information, and format them in really nice form. So let's preview it. In the prompt, we just give the output from the agent. And in the system prompt, we've got long instructions about how it should behave. So you are a response formatting assistant. Your job is to take the raw text output produced by a previous agent and rewrite it in a clear, well-structured, user-friendly, this is really important sentence, response without changing the meaning. Capabilities: reformat raw AI-generated text into readable, polished prose, improve clarity, flow, and structure while preserving original intent, break long paragraphs into short sections or bullet points when helpful. So the point is we need to actually have some assistant to just format this text, because once again, just look at this text. These are just raw information about our main question, and that's it. But once we've got this model, it actually formats the message for us in a really nice form. And that's basically it. We've got here the model, or let me show you basically. I use the model which is GPT 4.1 mini, but feel free to use any other model. For this AI agent, I use the same model. Then what we do, we open row in a sheet. And let me show you this entire sheet that you can actually copy from our community right here. You can open it and make a copy. And inside what we have the message date, user's message, and model's message. That's it. We do this for just tracking. And the last thing is just giving the message back to our Telegram. So what do we have? We've got an operation which is send a message. We can give it a name, just basically any name we want. We've got the identifier. So this is basically the ID. Okay. Then what we have, we've got reply to. So basically it's from ID. No, it's not this one. Which one is this one? This is the message ID, I'm sorry. And for the value, we've got the value from the basic LLM chain. And that's it. By this way, this AI agent is capable of just making a deep research about any topic you want. Once again, you can just connect with Superchat, a Telegram, WhatsApp, any other platform, and just have all-in-one inbox. You can share these chats, this number basically to write to, and then you're gonna have basically an assistant to just share with anyone, maybe someone in your company. You know, maybe you've got some friends or other people that need to have this really solid and professional research agent. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, comment the video, click the subscribe button, and yeah, just follow me for more and wait for more videos. By the way, if you want to learn more about AI, about automations, about just want to have the space with really open-minded people, I recommend you to join the AI Agents Accelerator. This is our premium community. Inside, we've got the classroom. We've got a lot of courses, 55 plus hours course, Open AI Agent Builder. We've got ready-to-use templates, a lot of content. So feel free to join. I will put the link in the description along with the link to the free community, the super chat, and basically other links, so you can check it out. Thank you so much for watching right now, and I will see you in the next material.